Did you try this question? 5 by 8 raised to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Did you get 512 upon 125?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the easiest way to solve this?
8 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 8 raised to 4.
So it becomes the reciprocal with a positive power, isn't it? This
Yes,
becomes
sir.
the. Oh, how about this? This is multiplied with 5 by 8 raised to the power positive 4. So it's like 8 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 7 multiplied with 5 to the power 4 divided by
Divided by
8
8
to the
raised
power
to
4.
4.
So we have to
Cancel.
consider this. Don't go for cancelling since it's a question related to exponents and powers. So 8 to the power 7 minus 4. We can use the law of exponent into 5 to the power 4 minus 7.
Minus 11.
So this will be 8 cube
8 cube divided
into
by
5
5 cube.
raised to the power minus 3. So 8 cube by 5 cube. We get it as 512 upon 125. Isn't it easy? For next questions also we have to use the law of exponents and we need to simplify.
Sir, in the
Look at
previous
question
question, if
7.
we
Yeah,
take reciprocal of the second number, then how do we solve it?
in the previous question, reciprocal is taken no 5 by 8 to the power minus 4. We have taken.
Sir, instead of taking reciprocal of 5 by 8, if we take reciprocal of 8 by 5.
I have reciprocaled both. If you observe here, both the numbers. This number also I have reciprocaled. If you don't reciprocal one, still we can solve. So for example, 8 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 7, we get it from this.
Sir,
If
the
you don't
bases will be
reciprocal
equal,
this,
sir.
yeah, bases will be equal. 8 to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 4. Now we can simplify. Since the bases are same, it is 8 to the power 7 minus 4 divided by 5 to the power of 7 minus 4. We straight away get 8 cube by 5 cube. Yeah, in this way also we can do it. Correct. Good. You mean to say this or something
Yes,
else?
sir.
Yeah, we can solve it in this method also. Let's move on further with question number 7. This type of question was there in class 7th, if you remember. Question was related to simplify. We need to use the law of exponents for solving this. How do we use the law of exponent here?
Sir, we can write 25 as 5 square
5
into
Very good.
t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 into 2 into t
2
to the power minus 8.
2 into 5, sir. Yes, sir. Into t
If
raised
you
to minus.
observe the question, they have given t not equal to 0. Why did they give this?
So because when we multiply 0 so much times also we'll get only 0, sir.
Okay. Still, that's not the reason for they have given this t not equal to 0. What could be the
Sir, in a
reason?
rational
Sir, t
number,
is a
p by
number.
q is never equal to 0.
Yeah, very good. Denominator should not be 0. If 0 is there here, 0 raised to the power minus 8 is 0. But 0 should not be there in the denominator. That's the reason why they mentioned t not equal to 0. Yes, how do we apply the exponential laws here? Shall I write it directly? 5 to the power 2 plus 3
Plus 3
minus 1.
minus 1.
Correct?
In, yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
plus 2. This denominator is minus 3. Minus of minus 3 becomes plus 3. And this 5 to the power 1 is taken as minus 1. The power is taken as minus 1. into t to the power of minus 4. What I should
Plus
write
8.
now? Plus
Plus 8,
Very
sir.
good. Denominator is? What is
2,
left
sir.
out? 2.
2.
Very good. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4.
5 raised to 4.
So 5 to the power 4 into t to the power
8. Sorry, 4, sir.
4, sir.
positive 4, yes, divided by
2.
2, sir.
2. Further, we cannot use any exponential now. So we can
Plus 625
write
by
the answer
2
as 625
t to the power 4.
t raised to the power 4 divided by 2. This is the answer. How to solve the second one? 3 to the power minus 5. I cannot do anything here. Into.
5 into 2.
Instead of 10, we can write as 2 times of 5 raised to
Whole
the
raised
power
to
minus
minus 5.
5 into
5 cube.
5 to the power
5
4.
cube.
5 to the power 3.
Sorry.
5
5,
cube
3.
divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into
Into 6 to the power minus 7.
To the power minus
6. I can
2
change
2 into
That's
3,
2
sir.
into 3.
2
2
in
into 3 whole power minus 7.
minus 5 no?
Yes, sir, minus.
yes, sir, minus.
Yeah. So 3 to the power minus 5 into. Now what should I do now?
You have to make 2 to the power minus 5 and 5 to
2
the
to the
power
power minus 5
Yeah, separately the powers are to be taken. 2 to the power minus 5
into 5 to the power minus 5.
very good into 5 cube
5 to power 3.
divided by 5 to the power minus 7
7
2 to the
into
power
2
minus
to the
7. 3 to
minus
the
5
power minus 7.
to the
into 2
power
raised to
minus.
minus 5.
I have not missed any number here. Yeah. Now how do we simplify? Let us go
So
with
we can directly
bases.
write it,
Cancel
sir.
out the 3, 3.
Let's go with the bases.
3 to the power minus 5 and 3 to the
If I
power minus
consider 5 as the base, if 5 is the base, I have to consider this number. Minus 5 is there on the power.
Minus 5 plus 3.
Here, positive 3 is there, so I have to write plus 3. Here, the denominator also there is 5 to the power.
Plus 7.
Plus 7, very good, sir. Into. Now I'll consider 3 to the power. This is 1, this is another. There are two numbers.
minus.
One
Minus
is
5 plus
minus
5 cancel.
0,
This
sir.
is plus
The
5.
3 to the power 0.
0
Into
is equal to
They
1.
can be cancelled out.
2 to the power minus
Minus
5
To
5
the power minus 5
Plus 5.
plus 5.
plus 5.
These are the numbers. So this particular thing becomes 3 to the power 0 and this
1.
becomes 2 to the power 0.
Sir,
Both will
we
be
will get
1.
5 to the power 5, sir.
This will be 10 minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
5 to the power 5.
5.
Answer is 5 to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
5 to the power 5 is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is 5 to the power 5?
Sir,
625 into 5.
625 into 5, no? 3025?
3125.
Yes, sir.
3125.
3125.
3125. Let's have a look at this question. This is question 1 from exercise 12.2. We need to express the given number in the standard form. First one we have 0 point, count the number of zeros.
Sir, it is 11.
Sir, 8.5 into 10 power
10 to
11.
the power minus 11.
8.5.
10 raised to minus 12, sir.
Minus
8.5 into minus 10 to the power minus
From here
11.
I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4,
minus 12
8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12.
minus 12, sir.
10 to the power of minus
Minus
6.
12,
Minus
sir.
12.
Yes. How about the second one here? Shall I write this as 9.42
Yes, sir.
into?
Yes,
So
into
10 to
10
the
raised to minus 12.
3, 4,
3, 4,
5,
5.
Yes, sir. 10
8,
raised to
9,
minus 2.
10, 11, 12. Again
10
2.
to the power minus 12.
Minus 12. Yes, sir.
In the third one, it's a positive power.
6.02 into 10
6.02
raised to
into 10 to the
6.02
power
2,
into
3, 4,
15.
5, 6, 7, 8,
6.02 into 10 to the power 15, sir.
12, 13, 14, 15.
14,
Yes,
15.
sir.
10 to the
10 to
power
the power
15.
15. This is negative power
8.37
8.37.
8.37
into
into
10 to
10
the
Into
power
10 to the power
minus
minus 9.
minus
1,
9.
2,
minus
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus 9. Now we have the positive power 3.186.
3.186 into
10
10
to
to
the
the
10
power
raised
power
to 10, sir.
3, 4,
1,
5,
2,
6,
10.
3, 4,
8,
5, 6,
10,
10,
7,
sir.
10 to
8,
power
9,
10.
10. So to the power positive 10.
10.
So it's easy.
Yes, sir.
Second question is the reverse of the first question. We need to express in the usual form. How to write in the usual form? Whenever the power is positive, you shift the number of you shift the decimal to the right side.
Right hand side, sir. And when it is negative, sir, we can directly
Shift it to
divide
left
it, sir.
side. We can divide, or else we can shift the digits to the left side.
Yes, sir.
So for
Yes, sir.
example, first one, it is 3.02 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So this number 3 should be written after 6 places,
6
isn't it?
zeros.
So 0.000000302. Isn't it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there should be 5
Sir,
zeros.
5 zeros.
5, 6,
5 zeros.
Yes, sir.
So 1 0 should not be there. Correct, sir. Now it's correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to do this second one? It's a positive power now.
45,000.
Sir, 45,000.
How many zeros?
4,500. 4,500.
Sir, 3
3
zeros.
zeros.
3 zeros.
3 zeros. So 45,000, not 4,500. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here for the third one,
Sir, 7 zeros after
7
point
zeros.
and 3.
8
0.7 zeros
and
and
3.
sir.
This is for the third one. For the fourth one, 1001. No, one more
5
zero.
zeros, sir. 5 zeros.
Then I have to continue with 5 more zeros.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you count the digits here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it's correct. Fifth one,
Sir, 58 followed by 11 zeros.
7 zeros.
11
11.
zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. One more zero, isn't it? 3,
Yes, sir.
6, 1,
Yes,
4,
sir.
9,
Only
2,
1
0.
zero, sir.
So it's easy.
Yes, sir.
Now the third question, express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. In one of the class I was telling you, some units are named with particular name, like micron.
Yes, sir.
Micron is having a negative power. I
10 raised to minus 6.
had mentioned that it is 10 to the power of minus 6, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here, if you count, there are 6 zeros. So 10 to the power of minus 6. charge of an electron is 0 point. There are some zeros followed by 16. So if you write in a standard form, it will be like
Sir,
1.6
1.6 into
1.6
into
10 to the power minus 17.
minus 19.
Mm,
19,
so
sir.
here
10 to the power
26,
19
9, 12, 15,
minus 19
18 plus 1, 19. 10 to the power of
Yes, sir.
positive or negative?
minus 19
Minus
minus
Negative 19.
minus 19 coulomb. What is this coulomb?
sir, they gave no, sir. On that question only they gave, sir, that units, sir.
Unit. Unit of what? It is a unit of charge.
Electron. Charge of
Charge.
electron.
Charge of an electron.
So the unit of charge is coulomb. And one electron will be having 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. This is another important thing. In class 11th, you have electrostatics. There you will come across this value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. What's the size of bacteria here? It is 5 into 10 to the power of
Minus
Minus
7.
2, 3,
5,
4,
6.
5, 6.
Minus 6.
6 meter. Size of plant cell 1.275 into 1,
10
2,
power
3,
1, 2,
4,
3,
5
4, 5. Minus 5.
minus 5 meter.
Sir, that bacteria should be minus 7.
Is it 1,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
Yes, sir.
Is,
Minus 7.
yes, sorry, this is minus 7. What about the size of the paper?
Sir, 7 into 10 to the power minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 what?
Minus 2 mm.
Millimeter.
Millimeter. Yes, sir, we have a word problem now. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? Yes, how do we solve this?
Sir, first we have to take the thickness of full 5 books, and next we have to take full thickness of 5 paper sheets.
And we have to add them.
Add it. We have
Yes,
to
it's a
add
question
them.
related to addition. But then we have to consider the thickness of the book separately and thickness of the paper separately, and we need to add that. So total thickness, if you want, this will be equal to I can write
Is
5
equal to
times of 20
20
millimeter
millimeter.
plus
Yes, sir.
5 times
5
of
times of
Of
0.016 millimeters.
0.016 millimeter.
millimeter. Easily we can multiply here. This
100.
becomes
Otherwise,
100
we
millimeter.
can
You can take 5
take
common and
common,
add
and
this
we have to
20,
add
20
20
plus
plus
0.6. Yes, that also can be done. We all know that 16 5 times is 80, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Place the decimal now. After 3 places, we have to place the decimal. So 1, 2, one more 0 will be there here. 0,
Point.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Add them. This is
100.080
0.080 mm.
millimeter.
Yes, sir.
If you observe, I am not writing a 0 here.
Because 0 after decimals does
Yeah,
not have a value, sir.
it doesn't carry any value. Okay, these are the main topics of this chapter. Exponential notation is a powerful way to express a repeated multiplication of the same number, especially powers of 10. Express very large and very small numbers in a manner which is convenient to read and write. This is what we had learned. we had learned some laws of exponents. Here they have mentioned the first one as a to the power minus m, which is 1 by a to the power m. These are the other law of exponents. When the bases are same, the multiplication will become addition, a to the power m plus n. When the bases are same, division becomes subtraction, a to the power m minus n. When power of a power is there, they will be multiplied. A to the power of m to the power n is a to the power mn. When bases are different and powers are same, the bases are multiplied with the same power. A to the power of m into b to the power of m is ab to the power m. A to the power of 0 is 1. A by b whole to the power m is a to the power of m by b to the power of m.
Sir, is there any law for a raised to m plus a raised to n?
A raised to the power m.
Plus a raised to n.
There is no law connecting this. It's not there. If into is there, it is.
Yes.
Numbers can be expressed in expanded form by using exponents. This we had learned in class 6th and 7th. If you remember, 5.123, if the number is like this can be written as 5 into 10 to the power of 0 plus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This was there? Don't remember.
Yes, sir.
But it was in positive value, sir.
Oh, is it? As I remember,
Sir, it was there in the decimal
in
chapter.
decimal chapter, this was there.
Yes, sir. Instead of writing 10 to the power minus 1, we were writing 1 by 10, sir.
Yes, sir.
And we had named this 10 to the power of minus 1 as TENTHs. Isn't it? Tenths. This is hundredths.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
thousandths.
What?
Tenth,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay,
100.
sir. Coming to this point, very large and very small numbers can be expressed in standard form. The standard form is also called as a scientific notation form. Okay, sir. Here are few questions related to exponents and powers from NCERT exemplar. If you want, I can go with this, or else I can take the next chapter. What do you want?
Let's solve
Sir, we can
example.
go with this for a few questions, sir.
Only this MCQ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Let's look at the first one here. In 2 to the power of n, n is known as. Is n called as a base?
No, sir.
No. Is it a constant?
No, sir.
No,
Is
sir.
it a variable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Why
it
did
is a
I give this
variable.
x?
It is variables.
It's not applicable. No, this is not applicable. This
Yes, sir.
cannot be base. Now I have two options: constant and variable.
Say
Okay,
cannot
Sir,
be
variable.
constant, sir.
Sir, variables.
Variables.
Variable.
So n is just a number, isn't it?
Yes, sir, but
N is number, no?
Any number can be replaced with n, sir. So it is a variable.
But number is a constant, isn't it?
Yes, sir, but there is n,
Sir,
sir.
but n is a variable.
N is a
Yes,
variable.
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I will lock this as an answer. Look at second one. For a fixed base, if exponent decreases by 1, the number becomes 1/10 of previous number, 10 times of the previous number, 100th of previous number, 100 times of previous number. I'll take an example for this. If 10 to the power of 3 is there, if the exponent decreases by 1, if it becomes 10 to the power of 2, the number becomes, can you compare these two?
Yes, sir, 1/10 of the previous number.
110.
This number is obtained by dividing by 10, isn't it?
Yes,
This is
sir.
10 to the power of 1. We get it as 10 to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 10 to the power of 2. So when you decrease the power, it means that you are dividing by 10 times.
1/10.
So the answer is 1/10 of the previous number. This is the right option. Question number 3. 3 to the power minus 2 can be written as
Sir,
3 to the
in
power of
previous
minus 2.
question,
B, sir.
No,
sir,
previous question.
if we take 2 instead of 10, then it will not be the same.
Let me take 2 instead of 10 because
2 to the power
Uday
3
is
is equal
asking
to
2 to the power of 3. Now it is 2 to the power of
2.
2. This 2 to the power of 2 is obtained by doing this. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of 1. So 1 by 2 times of the number, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But they have given for a fixed base. So what could be the answer? I have taken the base as 10, so this will be the answer. If 2 is taken as a
Sir,
base.
yes, sir. 1 by 2 will come, na, sir, if we take 2 as base. Why we have to take only 10?
Yes, sir. Good question, sir. Can anyone answer this question? If I take the base as 10, what explanation is there is true for option A? If you take some other base, it doesn't suit.
Yes, sir. If we take 100, then it will come 100th of the previous number.
Isn't it? 10 to the power
Yes.
of 100 to the power 4. If it is 100 to the power 3, it is like 100 to the power 4 by 100. So 1 by 100 times the previous. So what should
Yes,
be the
sir.
answer here? What should be the answer? You can support the answers. Is Uday correct?
I am Ajay, sir.
Is Ajay correct? Have you understood his question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood, sir. But both options are
Sir,
coming on this
it is
option.
satisfying both the options, sir.
And the if we based if we change the base, options are coming different.
Yes, sir. Different answers are being obtained, sir.
Suppose if the base is taken as 1000, it becomes 1 by 1000 times the previous number, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So what should be the answer?
Sir is satisfied all the answers, sir.
It does not
It,
satisfy B
it
and
could
D,
be
sir.
something else, no? If it is say number 5 to the power 4, if you are dividing by 5, it
It
becomes
will
5 to
come
the
1
power
by
of
5,
3.
sir.
So it is 1 by 5 times. That option is not there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in the question, they could have given for a fixed base, say if they give 10, then first answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
If they give 100, then option C is correct.
P is correct, sir.
So question itself is not correct. Yes.
They should be giving a number, sir.
Let's have a look at this question number 3.
Sir,
3
B,
raised to the
sir.
power minus 2
Option
can
or
be
B.
written as
Sir,
B,
option
sir.
B.
1
option
by
is
3
B.
power 2.
Yes, option is B. B is correct. The value of 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2 is
Option A, sir.
In option A.
option A is correct. The reason is this becomes 1 divided by 1 by 4 square, which is 1 divided by 1 by 16. So 1 is
So
multiplied with
62
16
will
by
be
1.
multiplied divided by 1, sir, is equal to 16. Sir.
Yes, sir. So I have copied only 4 questions. Let me search for Exemplar. Hmm. On this file only, PDF file only, I'll try explaining that.
Yes, sir.
So how many questions over? 4, no?
Sir, 4.
4
More
questions.
questions.
So I am sharing you one more thing now. PDF. Okay. Yes, you are able to see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at question number 5. The value of 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of minus 6 is.
Sir, 3 to the power 11.
3 to the power of 11. Why, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Because
3 to the power 5.
3 to the
We
power
can write,
minus 6
sir.
when it will come up plus 6 will happen, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus into minus plus.
So this becomes 3 to the power of 5 plus 6. So it
Plus
becomes 3
5
to the
is
power
equal
of
to 11.
11. Okay. Is there any option to write it as a notebook? Pen? It is brush line. Okay, let's continue with this only. The value of 2 by 5 to the power minus 2 is.
Sir, option C, 25 by
This
4.
becomes the reciprocal as I had mentioned. So
Yes, sir.
Yes.
this becomes 5 by 2. It has gone here.
5 square plus 2 square will happen, sir.
Yes, sir.
25 by
5
4.
square by 2 square. So 25 by 4.
Yes, sir.
It's very difficult to write in this annotated. Is there any other thing?
Copy.
One board. Should annotate.
Copy, sir.
Becoming difficult. Desktop. Is it okay? You are able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I write something, you are able to see? I have
No, sir.
scribbled. No,
No,
no.
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Sir, only cursor is moving, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I stop sharing this and if I share, it's not coming here. I share this open board. Now you are able to see this empty space now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Ah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are able to see scribbled one.
Okay, sir. So much of circus. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 5 to the power minus 1?
5 by
5
2,
by
sir.
2.
5 by 2.
Actually, 5 by 2 is the right answer. The reason is the value of this is 5 by 2.
Yes, sir. 2
Ah,
to
no,
the
no, no.
power
2 by 5
minus
is the
1
right
plus.
answer.
Yes, sir.
This is not a right answer. 2 by 5 is the right answer. The reciprocal is this. For this number, its
Ah,
reciprocal is 2 by 5, no?
yes, sir.
This number 2 by 5 to the power minus 1 is 5 by 2.
2 by 2.
Reciprocal of this number is 2 by 5. So the answer is 2 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, I don't understand this, sir.
you did not understand this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Let me tell. 2 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Tricky question, sir.
2 by 5 to the power minus 1. What does it mean? It is 1 divided by 2 by 5.
Yes, sir.
This is same as 1 into 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So the number is 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
This number is 5 by 2. In the question they have given what is the reciprocal of this. So what is the reciprocal of 5 by
Yes,
2?
sir. Yes, sir, understood.
Is 2
So
by
first
5.
we have to find the solution and its reciprocal.
How do we solve this eighth one? What is the multiplicative inverse of 10 to the power of minus 100?
10 raised to 100, sir.
What is the meaning of multiplicative inverse?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal, sir.
Reciprocal, sir.
Reciprocal. If A is there, we have to multiply another number, the product becomes 1. If 10 to the power of minus 100 is there, if it is multiplied with some number, I have to get it as 1.
1.
This 1 is same as 100 to the power 0. You will all agree?
Yes, sir.
100 to the power 0 is 1. So how do we get 0 here? If I multiply
It should be plus 100.
plus 100 means 100 to the, sorry, it's not 100, no.
10 to the
It's
power.
10.
10 after it, sir.
This is 10.
Power should
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So
No, sir, I did not understand.
10 to the power of minus 100, if you multiply with 10 to the power of plus 100, then only we get 10 to the power of 100 minus 100, which is 10
Yes,
to the
sir.
power of 0.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is that number which is a multiplicative inverse.
10 to the power plus 100.
So
C, sir.
option C is the right answer. Is it understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I was busy downloading your vacation homework, so could not get sufficient time to copy and paste in PowerPoint. So is the difficulty. Let's discuss the question 9.
minus 32, sir.
Sir, minus 32.
Minus 32.
Minus 32.
Yes, sir.
Why not plus 32, sir?
Sir, because it
Sir,
is multiplied a odd number of times, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be
It is
minus.
multiplied odd number of times.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So minus 32 is the right answer. Question
So
number
what is the
10.
D option of ninth
What is
question?
the D option? Hidden here. I have to see from here.
64.
Let it be, sir. We got answer.
We got the answer, but
Minus 64.
there's a doubt
Minus
now. I have to stop sharing. Then I should open this. I have to close this open board also. It is taking a lot of time. We know the fourth option, sir. Ashutosh, the fourth option is minus 64.
Yes, sir.
Switch over from one thing to another thing is taking a lot of time, man. Let us discuss only 2 questions now.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now? Question 9 and 10?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 10 we shall solve. The value of minus 2 by 3 to the power 4 is equal to. If you look at the power here, it's a even number, so answer
Yes,
should
sir.
be even. That's what you
Yes.
should understand
Option A,
first.
sir.
So 16 by 81.
16 by
Option A, sir.
81. Option A is correct answer. Okay, let me end today's session. Let me take these questions on PowerPoint and bring it so that it is easy for me to tell the things. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So we shall end the session.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.